Law Student Practice, Section 5 to 10. Section 5, Certification Application Requirements. The law student must submit a duly accomplished application form under oath in 3 copies, accompanied by proof of payment of the necessary legal and filing fees. The law school, through the dean or the authorized representative, shall submit the office of the executive judge of the Regional Trial Court or RTC, having the jurisdiction over the territory where the law school is located, the duly accomplished application form together with the endorsement under oath. Level 1 Certification. The executive judge of the RTC shall evaluate, approve, and issue the certification within 10 days from the receipt of the application. The Level 1 certification under this provision shall be valid before all courts, quasi-judicial, and administrative bodies within the judicial region where the law school is located. Level 2 Certification. Within 10 days from the receipt of the application, the executive judge of the RTC shall A. Evaluate the application together with its attachment, and B. Recommend the Office of the Court Administrator or OCA the approval and issuance of the certification. If the executive judge find the application to be incomplete, the law school shall be notified and required to comply with the requirements within 5 days from the receipt of notice. The Level 2 certification issued under the provision shall be valid before all courts, quasi-judicial, and administrative bodies. Section 6. Duties of Law Student Practitioners. Acting under certification, the law student practitioner shall A. Observe the provision of Section 24B, Rule 130 of the Rules of Court. B. Be prohibited from using information acquired in one's capacity as law student practitioner for personal or commercial gain. C. Perform the duties and responsibility to the best of one's ability as law student practitioners, and strictly observe the canons of the Code of the Professional Responsibility. Section 7. Use of law student practitioner's name. A law student practitioner may sign briefs, pleadings, letters, and other similar documents which the student has produced under the direction of the supervising lawyer, indicating the law student practitioner certificate number as required under the rule. Section 8. Law student practitioner's oath affirmation. A law student who has been issued a certificate under this rule must, before performing the activities allowed herein, take an oath in the following form. I state your name, having been granted a certificate of law student practice by the Supreme Court under the Rule 138-A of the Rules of Court. Do solemnly swear that I will maintain allegiance of the Republic of the Philippines. I will. Promulgated by the Supreme Court on June 21, 1980, support the Constitution and obey the laws as well as the legal orders of the duly constituted authorities therein. I will do not falsehood nor consent to the doing of any in court. I will not wittingly or willingly promote or shew any groundless, false, or unlawful suit, or give aid, nor consent to the same. I will delay no one for money or malice, and will conduct myself as a certified law student practitioner according to the best of my knowledge and discretion, with all God fidelity, as well the courts as to the parties I represent. And I impose upon myself this voluntary obligation without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Section 9. Duties of Law School. The law school, through its dean or authorized representative, must A. Develop and adopt clinical legal education program. B. Develop and establish at least one law clinic in its school. C. Endorse qualified student for certification as law student practitioner under the rule. Such endorsement shall constitute a certificate that the dean or authorized representative knows that the applicant is a student enrolled in the clinical legal education course, possesses good moral character, and has met the requirements of Section 3 of this rule. D. Ensure compliance by law student practitioner and supervising lawyer with a code of procession's responsibility. Section 10. Qualification Supervising Lawyer. A supervising lawyer under the rule shall be a member of the bar in a good standing.